Good morning. Monday, April 7th, 2025. Since last night, all I heard and saw on various news media and social media, Black Monday. Black Monday. Shopping day. uh, all right, let's take a look real quick at Bitcoin. My order did finally go off. I had an order that had been sitting since here. Since Bitcoin went below the gap up, keep in mind this is the Bitcoin future, so it is roughly, I don't know, anywhere from 5 to 6% higher than the actual Bitcoin price, something like that. So when Bitcoin violated the gap up low, I put in an order to buy at, I bought some, okay? Keep in mind, I bought 82. When this happened, my order at 82 trigger, and I bought at 82, I bought at 80, all kind of stuff. I bought at 82, between 82 and 79. I bought a whole bunch. Nickel worth of Bitcoin, okay? And then I have a nickel worth of order down here at the gap fill at 78, and that did not happen here. It happened yesterday. Where next? Down here. You see this? Yes. That's the next area because that was the high for a while. Let's go back 3 years so you can see. See, that was the ETF high. So let me do this. Make that a white line because can it happen? Yeah, absolutely. Okay, I will take out some of these other take that out. So there you go. Now you see where that white line is, and it also lined up neatly with the 61.8 fib. So what more do we need to say? In TA, we trust. Trust the process, not the narrative, not the crypto bro, not the DCA blindly buy in every day, every week, every month. No, we don't need to buy Bitcoin in the mid 80s or 90s or 100s DCA because we believe it's going to the moon. Next, watch out, MicroStrategy. Oh boy, be careful. Be careful. Where can MicroStrategy? I'm not gonna. Today, it's gonna come down and test this right here. It's gonna test the low of yesterday. Right? Can we see the 200? Yeah, we can. And is it implausible to see MicroStrategy came down to even below that? Yes. Ref low is more than likely. Okay, so if you are eager to buy or add, yeah, I'm glad I trimmed some. Too bad I didn't trim more. It's small position. It's nothing, to lose sleep over. in the long run it'd be fine. But for me right now, if I was to add, and I'm not, it would be 200. Would I add at Reflow? That is more likely. Okay, in fact, I'm gonna put it on a alert. There you go. And at least Bitcoin, the way Bitcoin behaved yesterday, it finally caught up to the equity market. So whatever it was doing last Friday to surprise us as far as the resilience, well, guess what? Not so much. Last for today is something that I have looked at for quite some time, and I think it's gonna take a new fresh 52-week low. Coinbase, one of the beneficial institution that benefit greatly from the expensive spread that we all had to pay. They're making money hand over fist. Okay, hand over fist. And I expect them to be making hand over fist because the volumes are pretty big. Where would be a buy? Well, for now, pre-market, it's flashing 52-week low. Okay, so would I buy there? No. Where would be a no-brainer? Let me show you an area. It is a beauty of an area. Make no mistake. You can see how clean this chart is because I don't trade it. I just talk about it, follow it once in a while. But here we go. See, look. I'm gonna make that a white line. You know me, I like white for very important. There we go. Resistant, breakthrough, check back, boom. Okay. If that's not a key TA spot to buy some coin base, where else, right? So there you go. I like what I so roughly 116 ish. Okay, so I'm gonna put an alert below. Well, I'm gonna put an alert down here so that I know. We know it's gonna test 52-week low and likely break it. So it's why bother put it down there? Make it lower. Because once this is broken, and it will, there is not much below. Okay, not much, because if you go back, say 2 years, once that's broken, once this is broken, where else? There's a gap fill. There's a gap fill right there at 133.75. Interesting. So there you go. Let's do that. I changed it. There you go. Oh, that didn't work. There we go. Now it should work. There you go. Gap fill, 133.75. If that gap fill go off, then I will take a look and see what next to do. I could be selling put spread. There will be juice. Okay? There will be juice. Trade. Yeah. We're not gonna see anything yet, but yeah, down there, lots of juice. There's lots of juice. Very juicy. Okay, alright people. Good luck today. If you don't need your money next month, next year, Why panic? Right? The sun will come out later.